Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Meet and signing in. This connects your calendar and contacts, so invites sync automatically. Once there, click New Meeting and choose Start an Instant Meeting or get a meeting link to schedule later. Make sure to allow camera and microphone permissions. You want clear audio and video from the first second. Also open settings to test speakers and mic levels so participants hear you. After confirming, copy the meeting link or click Add People to bring others in. Once your meeting is live or scheduled, add participants by pasting the link, sending emails, or adding guests in Google Calendar. That ensures invites hit their inbox and reminders. Next, manage host controls. Admit people from the lobby, mute everyone if needed, and enable or disable recording and chat to keep the meeting focused. Also adjust layout and captions for accessibility, and switch to low bandwidth mode when attendees have poor internet so audio stays stable. These steps keep the session orderly and inclusive. During the call, present your screen or a specific window when sharing slides or demos. Choose to share system audio for videos. Once done, summarize action items, assign owners, and stop recording before leaving so the file finalizes. If problems arise, try a quick reload, switch to a supported browser, or have participants dial in by phone using the provided number. This often resolves stubborn audio or network issues. Finally, end the meeting for everyone to make sure no one stays connected inadvertently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.